Hi everyone, welcome back to Delicious Cravings. Today I'm making a refreshing and healthy banana-malunggay blueberry smoothie, packed with fiber, vitamins, and a creamy, fruity flavor. This smoothie is sure to give you the perfect energy boost to start your day. Here are all the ingredients you'll need for this smoothie. I love adding yogurt because it helps with digestion to keep my gut healthy and provides calcium and protein. So if you're ready for something nutritious and healthy, let's get started. Start by washing the malunggay leaves well. Then peel the bananas and cut them into small pieces. Malunggay is packed with vitamins A, C, and iron, while bananas give you energy and are rich in potassium. Now, to make a cold smoothie, you'll need about 2 cups of ice cubes for this recipe. In a blender, add bananas, malunggay, fresh milk, or powdered milk, whichever is available. Blueberry yogurt, of course, you can use the plain yogurt. Then let's add honey and 1 cup of water. Since running is one of my hobbies, I take collagen to keep my skin healthy and protect it from premature aging due to sun exposure. Blend until smooth and creamy. Pour into a glass and serve cold. Satisfy your cravings the delicious way. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming recipes. Once again, this is Delicious Cravings saying no hate, just love. Thank you for watching.